No.
I took one. I took a few of the shoes.
Yes. Yes. I didn't try. I didn't like it. I don't like the shoes. But the other are pretty. Yeah, the other are really pretty. Like the ones that we are like.
Oh yeah,
I like
yeah.
Hello, can you tell me your names and where we are today and where you're from?
Okay, I'm Sofia. We are in Las Vegas and we're from France.
Hello, I'm Anais and we are at Las Vegas and we are here for tourism.
Okay. And what is how do you feel about Las Vegas? What is it? Have you been here before? Is it what you expected?
It's the first time and it's very hot. It's like we expected, but it's very like I don't know how to say it. But
It's the first time for me too, and Las Vegas is very crazy.
yes,
I really like it.
like everything is big, everything
Yes.
is like luxury and everything.
And are you amazed by the European architecture here?
Yeah, it reminds me of like the Europe and France. It's not really like the US, like others, like other country, other cities in the US.
And you know the Fountain de Trevi. This is where you come to find love, right?
Oh,
What did you say?
The Fountain de Trevi. This is in Rome, right? The original one, and that's where people come to fall in love.
No,
I
I
didn't
didn't know.
Are you looking to fall in love on this trip or not?
No.
no, we're coming to gambling.
Are you college students?
What?
Are you university
Yes.
Yes,
What do you study?
I study law in France. Yes.
And economics.
Wow, smart girls. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so ready? So think of a fashion. You can lean against each other, whatever you want. Okay. It'll be like this. Okay, ready? Okay, that's good. And then flip here. Take your hips more. And then just kind of twist it over this side. Yeah, be very good. Yes. It's silly, but
No.
Your weight is coming this way. See how my foot is here? Coming forward. Yeah, like skateboarding. Yes. Towards. Yes, both of you.
Okay.
Yes. Good. Okay, it's recording. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Very beautiful. Yeah, good. Now look back this way. And now,
Oh my god, I can.
wow, it's very good. Okay, now put your arms around each other just like school friends. Yes, just nice. Okay, good. Oh, that's cute. Very cute. Good. Okay, done.